It is the holy month of Ramzan. This is when the city of Mumbai gets together to celebrate over some great food. My name is Kalyan and I've tried out the various food options here during this period. I'm going to take you to Bori Mohalla, where I've come across the best food during Ramzan, and it is nowhere as crowded as the more iconic Muhammad Ali Road. I'm at Tawakkal Sweets. It's a 50-year-old Bori family-run sweet shop in Bori Mohalla, extremely popular through the year round. But what's special in Ramzan is that you get the malpuas, which are like really the best malpuas I've had in Mumbai, and the firnis as well. And also something which they call dahi vadas, and what the rest of us in India know as balushai. So that's what we are going to try out today, the special Ramzan desserts in Bori Mohalla in Tawakkal Sweets. So join me as we trip on some great desserts. So I've got with me a very special person. I've got Mr. Moyet with me, and his grandfather is the one who started Tawakkal Sweets, which is a 50-year-old place. Moyet, you were telling me this is what started off Tawakkal?
Yeah, this
so tell me about this.
Like when my grandfather was there, and it was started by my grandfather. So we had a very small place at that time. It was really tiny.
So it was not like this?
No, it was here, but we have 3 places right now. That time we had only 1 place. And that was where our production used to happen and he used to sell. And he was a one-man show. Like
and what is this called?
This is dahi vada.
And is this a family recipe or a Bori recipe?
It is predominantly a Bori thing.
And it's a sweet dish.
Yeah, it's a sweet dish. Yeah. So, and this is what a few of our like a little twitches in the recipe by my grandfather, which has been carried on from his time.
So about 50 years, huh?
Yeah, it's been around for 50 years, 52 years.
And I've eaten some fantastic sweets. But the malpua and the firni, that I've not seen in long Ramzan. Why is that?
No, we don't make it all year round because it's been a tradition for like the past 35, 40 years where it's always, that's the way it's been. Like not only our shops, there are other shops also who make it on Sundays and all. We don't make it at all. We just have it 1 month in a year because there's this charm about Ramzan, and and we are on whole night. Otherwise, we shut down by 10 o'clock. So, if you want the malpua and firni at Tawakkal, you have to come here during Ramzan months because that's when it's really special. I have tried many malpuas across Mumbai, and this is what is the best according to me. This is one fantastic crunch, and the sweet level is just. Yeah, it's not too sweet. Yes.
Talking of places to eat in Ramzan in Mumbai, a lot of people come here and tell you that we've come to Muhammad Ali Road. What do you have to tell them?
Well, this is not Muhammad Ali Road. This is way better.
So as Moyet says, Bori Mohalla is not Muhammad Ali Road. It is way better. And one of the places we stand out in Bori Mohalla is Tawakkal Sweets. So what my suggestion would be to you is that if you come to Bori Mohalla to eat, have the kebabs, have the patrels, have the bara handis, have the payas, have the ice creams, and then end your night with first some firni, then some sugar-soaked balushoi, and then some nice and lovely crunch malpua. So that's the perfect Bori Mohalla plan. Come to Tawakkal and end it just as we are today.